know it's been a while since I posted a video, guys. Sorry about that. It's been a really rough couple of weeks. I mean, my dispatcher does not do his job, I guess. I don't know. It can't be that hard to set appointment times for a guy to get there to pick a load up or deliver a load. He'll tell me, I've got a 12-hour window to get there. Get to the place, like, nah, man, it's an appointment. You're supposed to have been here 3 hours ago, or not supposed to be here for another 5 hours. You end up sitting with the e-logs being what they are. You can't hide that time. You end up sitting, not making any money. And then between him and the kind of seems like out on the road, everything's out to get me. Tag a video on the end of this, show you what's happened to that nice shiny new truck I got. I got to drop it off as soon as I can ever get back to our home terminal. Drop this truck off to go to the body shop for some extensive repairs, and get into a spare truck for a couple weeks, which was never any fun, but it is what it is. That's trucking.
Shit.